I bet you didn't know that Kodiak bears are, on average, larger than grizzly bears. In the untamed wilderness of North America, two imposing figures reign supreme: the Kodiak bear and the grizzly bear. These majestic creatures, with their imposing size and raw power, have captivated the imaginations of humans for centuries. Often shrouded in myth and legend, they are a testament to the awe-inspiring diversity of the natural world. But what sets these two giants apart? Why is the Kodiak bear, on average, larger than its grizzly cousin? Our journey takes us to the rugged landscapes of Alaska and western Canada, where these bears roam free. Here, amidst towering forests and icy glaciers, we will unravel the mysteries behind their size differences. Through a careful examination of their habitats, diets, and genetic makeup, we aim to shed light on the evolutionary forces that have shaped these magnificent creatures. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating wildlife content. The Kodiak bear, a subspecies of the brown bear, stands as the undisputed giant of its kind. Found exclusively on the Kodiak archipelago, these bears thrive in an environment teeming with life. Their immense size, often exceeding 1,500 pounds, is a testament to the abundance of their island home. The grizzly bear, another subspecies, occupies a vast range across North America. While both share a common ancestor, their evolutionary paths have led to distinct differences. The Kodiak bear's massive frame reflects a life of feasting on rich resources. The grizzly bear exhibits a more variable size, influenced by diverse environments. This size difference is a testament to the interplay between genetics, diet, and natural selection. The Kodiak archipelago, a rugged expanse of islands sculpted by ancient glaciers, provides a unique and bountiful home for its namesake bears. These islands, shrouded in mist and carpeted in emerald forests, harbor a secret to the Kodiak bear's impressive size isolation. Separated from the mainland for thousands of years, the Kodiak bears have evolved in a relatively stable environment, free from the competition and environmental pressures faced by their grizzly cousins on the continent. This isolation has allowed the Kodiak bears to flourish on a diet rich in protein and fat, fueling their growth to extraordinary proportions. The island's abundant salmon runs, teeming up rivers and streams, provide a feast for these bears, who gorge themselves on the oily fish during the summer months. This seasonal bounty allows them to pack on layers of fat crucial for survival during the lean winter months. In contrast to the Kodiak bear's island haven, the grizzly bear faces a more challenging and varied existence across its vast continental range. From the towering peaks of the Rocky Mountains to the windswept tundra of the Arctic, grizzly bears have adapted to a wider range of habitats, each with its own unique set of challenges and resources. This diversity of habitats has resulted in a greater variation in size among grizzly bear populations. While some grizzly bear populations, like those in coastal Alaska, enjoy access to abundant salmon runs, others rely on a more diverse diet of berries, roots, insects, and occasionally large mammals like elk and deer. This reliance on a wider range of food sources, often less calorie-dense than the Kodiak bear's salmon-rich diet, has influenced the grizzly bear's overall size and growth potential. The icy waters surrounding the Kodiak archipelago teem with life, providing a critical advantage for the bears that call these islands home. Salmon play a pivotal role in the Kodiak bear's diet, contributing significantly to their impressive size. These oily fish, packed with protein and fat, offer a calorie-rich food source that allows Kodiak bears to grow larger and stronger. The abundance of salmon has shaped the bear's behavior and evolution. During the summer, these bears become skilled anglers, patiently waiting for salmon to leap upstream. Their size and strength give them an advantage, allowing them to dominate prime fishing spots and consume vast quantities. This access to energy-rich food has shaped the Kodiak bear's larger size compared to its grizzly cousin. The Kodiak bear's imposing size is a testament to its voracious appetite, particularly for one of the ocean's most iconic gifts, salmon. These silver-scaled fish, teeming in the rivers and streams of the Kodiak archipelago, offer a calorie-rich bounty that fuels the bear's remarkable growth. Salmon, abundant during their summer spawning runs, become a dietary staple for the Kodiak bears, providing them with essential proteins and fats crucial for building muscle mass and storing energy reserves. As the salmon make their arduous journey upstream, the Kodiak bears lie in wait, their massive paws and sharp claws ready to snatch the fish from the rushing water. Their size and strength give them a distinct advantage, allowing them to claim prime fishing spots and outcompete rivals for this vital resource. The bears often display remarkable patience and skill, waiting for the opportune moment to strike with astonishing speed and precision. The relationship between the Kodiak bear and the salmon is deeply intertwined, shaping the very essence of their existence. The abundance of salmon has not only influenced the bear's physical development, but has also shaped their behavior and social interactions. During the salmon runs, the usually solitary Kodiak bears congregate along the rivers and streams, their interactions a delicate balance between competition and tolerance. This annual gathering offers a glimpse into the social dynamics of these normally solitary creatures. Dominant bears, often the largest males, assert their presence, claiming prime fishing spots and occasionally engaging in displays of strength to maintain their position. Younger bears and females, while often relegated to less desirable locations, still manage to secure their share of the bounty, ensuring their survival and the continuation of their lineage. Section 3. Beyond the streams. While salmon play a crucial role in the Kodiak bear's diet, these opportunistic omnivores also take advantage of other food sources available in their island realm. From berries and roots to insects and carrion, the Kodiak bear's diet reflects the diversity of its environment. Along the windswept coastlines, they scavenge for dead marine mammals, their powerful claws tearing through flesh and bone to access the nutrient-rich blubber. Inland, they venture into the dense forests, their keen sense of smell guiding them to patches of ripe berries and succulent roots. These additional food sources, while not as calorie-dense as salmon, provide essential vitamins and minerals, contributing to the bear's overall health and well-being. This dietary flexibility allows the Kodiak bear to thrive in its island environment, even during periods when salmon runs are less abundant. Section 4. The grizzly's diverse palate. The grizzly bear's diet reflects its vast continental range, from the Pacific Northwest to the Rockies. This dietary diversity results in variations in size and weight among populations. Coastal grizzlies gorge on salmon, while inland bears eat berries, roots, and larger mammals. This varied diet contributes to the grizzly bear's generally smaller size compared to Kodiak bears. Section 1. Written in the genes. The striking difference in size between Kodiak and grizzly bears is not merely a consequence of diet, it's an intricate dance between nature and nurture, where genes lay the foundation. Deep within their DNA lies the blueprint for growth, a genetic legacy passed down through generations. While both species share a common ancestor, the isolation of the Kodiak archipelago has fostered unique genetic adaptations that favor larger size. Over millennia, Kodiak bears confined to their island realm experienced limited gene flow from mainland populations. This isolation allowed specific genes that promote larger body size to become more prevalent within their population. These genes, influencing bone structure, muscle development, and metabolism, have sculpted the Kodiak bear into the giant it is today. Section 2. The island advantage. The Kodiak bear's genetic predisposition for size has been further amplified by the unique ecological pressures of island life. With abundant food resources and limited competition from other large predators, natural selection favored bears that could efficiently convert this bounty into body mass. Larger bears, better equipped to catch salmon and defend their territories, gained a reproductive advantage, passing on their size-enhancing genes to their offspring. This cycle, repeated over countless generations, has led to the evolution of the Kodiak bear as a true giant of its kind. Their genes, honed by the forces of natural selection, have optimized their physiology for maximizing growth potential within the context of their resource-rich environment. This interplay between genes and environment underscores the remarkable adaptability of life, showcasing how even subtle differences in habitat can drive significant evolutionary change. Section 3. A legacy of size. The grizzly bear, in contrast to its island-dwelling cousin, carries a different genetic legacy, one shaped by the challenges and opportunities of a vast continental range. Spread across a mosaic of habitats from coastal rainforests to alpine meadows, grizzly bears have faced a wider array of selective pressures, leading to greater genetic diversity within their populations. While some grizzly bear populations, particularly those with access to abundant salmon runs, exhibit larger body sizes, others inhabiting more arid regions or relying on less calorie-dense foods have evolved smaller statures. This variation in size reflects the adaptability of the grizzly bear's genetic makeup, allowing it to thrive in a wider range of environments compared to the more specialized Kodiak bear. Section 4. Adapting to thrive. The genetic differences between Kodiak and grizzly bears highlight a fundamental principle of evolution adaptation. Both species have followed unique evolutionary trajectories, their genes molded by the unrelenting forces of natural selection. The Kodiak bear, isolated on its island archipelago, has become a specialist, its genes optimized for maximizing size and strength in an environment abundant in calorie-rich salmon. The grizzly bear, on the other hand, has adopted a more generalist approach, its genes conferring adaptability to a wider range of habitats and food sources. This difference in evolutionary strategy has resulted in two distinct yet equally impressive bears, each a testament to the power of natural selection to shape life's incredible diversity. Despite their imposing size and predatory prowess, Kodiak bears exhibit surprising gentleness, particularly within their family groups. Mothers fiercely protect their cubs, nurturing them for 2 to 3 years and teaching them essential life skills. During this period, the cubs, miniature replicas of their massive mothers, learn to navigate their island home, master the art of salmon fishing, and develop the social skills necessary for survival in this bear-dominated landscape. These interactions between mothers and cubs offer heartwarming glimpses into the social lives of these often solitary creatures. The cubs, full of energy and curiosity, explore their surroundings with playful abandon, their mothers ever watchful for signs of danger. The bonds forged during these formative years are essential, shaping the cubs' behavior and ensuring the transmission of vital knowledge from one generation to the next. While both Kodiak and grizzly bears share a common ancestry, subtle yet distinctive physical features set them apart. The Kodiak bear, sculpted by generations of feasting on salmon, boasts a more massive skull and broader head compared to its grizzly cousin. This robust cranial structure accommodates powerful jaw muscles, capable of crushing bones and tearing through the flesh of their prey. Their claws, too, tell a tale of two lifestyles. The Kodiak bear's claws, shorter and more curved than those of the grizzly, reflect its adaptation to a life of fishing. These specialized claws, resembling grappling hooks, are ideally suited for snaring slippery salmon from rushing rivers. The grizzly bear, in contrast, possesses longer, straighter claws, better adapted for digging roots and unearthing buried treasures in its more varied continental diet. As we conclude our journey into the realm of these magnificent creatures, the reasons behind the Kodiak bear's superior size become abundantly clear. The abundance of their island home, particularly the protein-rich bounty of salmon, has fueled their growth over millennia. Their genes, shaped by isolation and the forces of natural selection, have optimized their physiology for converting this abundance into sheer size and strength. The grizzly bear, facing a different set of ecological challenges across its vast continental range, exhibits greater variation in size, a testament to its adaptability and resilience. While not as imposing as its island-dwelling cousin, the grizzly bear's ability to thrive in a wider range of habitats speaks volumes about its evolutionary success. Both the Kodiak and grizzly bear stand as symbols of wilderness, their presence a reminder of the untamed beauty and power of the natural world. Their story is a testament to the intricate interplay between genes, environment, and the relentless march of evolution. Understanding their differences allows us to appreciate the remarkable diversity of life on Earth and the delicate balance that sustains it. As we marvel at their size and power, let us also recognize the importance of conservation efforts to ensure their continued survival. These magnificent creatures, each a unique masterpiece of evolution, deserve our respect and protection as we navigate our shared future on this planet.